Thanks for staying with India Today on this big coverage day. Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has just spoken out on the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation, where the AIIMS panel has concluded that it was a case of suicide and not murder.
Hospital has been saying this. What do you have to say regarding the AIIMS report?
So I only say that truth has an ugly way of coming out. Truth always prevails. We never had doubt about our investigation. It was a professional, truthful investigation. Some vested interests ran a motivated campaign to discredit not only our investigation but entire police force. And I am not surprised, honestly, by the findings of the AIIMS panel, which we have learned from the media. I am not surprised at all. And our doctors of Cooper Hospital and our forensic experts had also done a very, very professional job. Their report was shared with the Honorable Supreme Court also. Honorable Supreme Court had also expressed its satisfaction with the investigation of Mumbai Police. Thereafter, as per the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court, we shared all the evidence, including forensic evidence, with the CBI. And CBI, it seems, has set up a panel of doctors. And if they have come to a similar finding as our agencies, our hospital, our forensic experts, so I only say that the truth prevails, and our investigation was always truthful, and I'm not surprised.
So there was a prolonged campaign that was going on to discredit Mumbai police, discredit their investigations, discredit their findings, citing that this was a case of murder, despite knowing that there was no evidence. There were certain sections of media, there were certain sections, certain people who were running this campaign and peddling this wrong information. Misinformation was being peddled, wrong information was being peddled. They were playing with facts. Facts were not stated. In fact, they were peddling lies to people. Is Mumbai police going to take any action on them?
So this matter is pending before the Honorable High Court of Mumbai, where senior retired police officers have moved a writ petition, PIL, before the Honorable High Court. Matter is coming up on 8th of this month. And I am sure the Honorable High Court will examine role of peddling lies by the media, how an effort was made to discredit not only the investigation but the entire police force in the eyes of the public. And the truth is ultimately going to come out.
So there were questions raised regarding the crime scene. That crime scene was not maintained, it was tampered with, it was contaminated. We hear from our sources that it was the family which had approached Mumbai police asking to vacate the premises.
When this incident had happened, at that point of time, the crime scene, the integrity of crime scene was fully maintained till the forensic experts and medical expert visited the scene, examined the scene, took evidence, and only thereafter the scene of, I won't call it scene of crime, the scene of incident was released back to the family as per their request.
So the family has been saying that Mumbai police did not listen to their complaints, but we had also reported that Mumbai police had summoned the family members on multiple occasions after that as well.
So the incident happened on 14th of June. Thereafter, on 16th of June, the statements were taken of the relatives, the father of the deceased, 3 sisters, brother-in-law. They all stated that it is a case of suicide and they hold nobody responsible and there's no suspicion on anyone. Thereafter, they went back to their state. After 45 days, they lodged another complaint, an FIR, where they again said it was a suicide, but for which they were blaming certain persons. So family itself on multiple occasions had claimed that it was a case of suicide. Certainly, some motivated campaign was run, some vested interests started projecting it as a case of murder. Now, CBI is a very professional agency. I'm sure they will look at all the evidence available before them and they'll come to a proper conclusion.
One last query, sir. Gupteshwar Pandey, who was the DGP of Bihar, he had also stated that Mumbai police did not entertain the family, did not listen to the family's complaints, and that is why they had to register an FIR and they sent the Bihar police team also to Mumbai and then sought a CBI inquiry.
So we recorded the statements of the family members on 16th of June. Thereafter, we called them on multiple occasions to come and give further statements. They refused to come, they refused to cooperate. So I don't know where this allegation is coming from. Thank you very much.
This was Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who has stated that AIMS report clearly states what the Mumbai Police had been saying. Truth prevails. They had been saying, Mumbai Police had been saying that this was a case of suicide, and that is what has come to light in the AIMS forensic report as well. With camera person Kiran Sapkal, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai forensic report as well. With camera person Kiran Sapkal, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.